What is going on, you guys? It's Boosted J. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make a quick run to O'Reilly's, pick up some oil, an oil filter, a 22 mil socket for this is my oil level sensor. Not the level sensor, but this is just the oil sensor. It goes on the side of the block of the M20B25, and this is what reads to your dash on your E30 if you need an oil change or not. So I'm gonna replace the current one on that's on the car, but I couldn't get it off the other day, so I'm gonna go pick up a new socket and get that taken care of. So let's go. I'm gonna head to O'Reilly's, not too far from my house, and then I'm gonna come back, drive the E30 around, and then put it up on the Rhino ramps, and then I've got a few things to change into there, so we've got things to do. Let's get it done. So currently it's my graduation weekend, and just really happy, really excited, and I'm just glad to finish off the 4 years of high school, and it's just really crazy. It still hasn't hit me yet. I'm sure it will on the graduation, which is for me tomorrow. I don't know when I'm actually gonna upload this, but I have a lot of videos planned, so you guys will enjoy all of the summer videos that I have planned. They're just gonna be great and super enjoyable. I hope you guys enjoy this video too. This is gonna be the summer kickoff video number 1. Let's get right into it. All right guys, so I'm back and I got the oil here. This is the full jug here. I got an empty one, empty, you know, stuff. So I got a couple things for the E30. So this is the new engine to chassis ground. This is gonna help out the car to reduce strain on the alternator, battery, and have faster cranking times. So just a nice upgrade, and you should change it if your car is old. Alright guys, so I just finished changing the oil, and now I just removed the OEM ground, or engine to chassis ground. This is the OEM one. It's like hard as a rock, and this is the new one. It's upgraded. I got this from CA Tuned. You're gonna need a 13 mil socket or wrench, your choice, and a pair of glasses. It's kind of right on the driver's side. It's super easy to do, super easy to access, but things will fall on your face because it's kind of in an awkward spot. So make sure to wear the glasses. I'm gonna show you guys how to put the new one on, and the same process for taking it off as well. Alright, so currently you guys are looking underneath the car. If you look right here, here's the oil pan. Here are the trans cooler lines. If you have an auto, here's your power steering lines that go to the pump. And right there, where my finger is where the first contact point for the ground is. So you would mount it up here with the hardware, which is a screw, and it goes and sits right basically on top of this little thing here. Right there, there's a little, let's see if you guys can see that. Right here is where it would go. And then I'll show you guys, it rocks right up to the top of the frame here. And I'll show you guys exactly where it goes there. So if you guys actually see right there, there's a stud that sticks out from the frame, and that is where the ground attaches. So you go ahead and basically throw the new ground up there, kind of just let it hang, and then get the 13 millimeter nut and kind of just start threading it on by hand, and then you can do the rest with the wrench or socket, whatever tool choice is yours basically. So that's basically on there. It's not tight, of course, but it is on there nonetheless. And then you go ahead and hang it up on the next spot that I showed you guys just before this. And that is basically how you do it. And then I'm gonna show you guys how the car, or what my thoughts are on the differences I noticed and or performance, and just in general overall, is it worth the 20 bucks? So I'll let you guys know in a few minutes. All right guys, the install is now done. I'm gonna show you guys how fast this thing actually turns over. So here you go. Boom. Really quick, really quick. Huge difference, and all my electronics line up like just at the exact moment that I turned the key to get it on to the first ignition setting, it just boom, everything just, it never was that fast. And I don't think it's just me just saying that. I think that that's actually what it is. So I'm satisfied. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Boosted J. See you guys in the next one. Peace.